Hey there! Want to keep your iPhone hotspot extra secure? Changing the password is a simple but effective step to ensure your connection stays private. In today's video, I'll walk you through the easy process of updating your iPhone's hotspot password. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on Personal Hotspot. If you don't see this option directly, go to Cellular and then tap on Personal Hotspot. Now, look for the Wi-Fi password section and tap on the current password. After that, type in a new password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols. Next, tap Done to save your new password. Additional tips: use a strong password by combining letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Only share your hotspot password with people you trust to avoid unnecessary data usage and protect your monthly data plan. And that's it. Now, any device connecting to your hotspot will need to enter the updated password. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more quick tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and take care.